In liquids, there are only weak forces of attraction between the particles, so they are free to move around and are arranged randomly. However, the weak forces of attraction means that the particles tend to stick around and are compact, meaning they have a definite volume, even though the overall shape can change, allowing them to flow in order to fit a particular container. If we heat up the liquid, the particles will gain more energy, and this will make the particles move around faster, weakening the forces and holding the particles together. Once we reach the boiling point, the particles will have enough energy to break the bonds. And so the liquid boils or evaporates into a gas. As the liquid cools down, the particles wouldn't have enough energy to overcome the attraction between the molecules, and this time more bonds form, fixing the particles in place, and then the liquid freezes into a solid.